Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Video calls can be a massive time saver, certainly compared to meeting in real life. But a new study shows some workers are wasting up to 10 minutes just getting the call set up. You know how it goes, your camera doesn't start properly, or everyone's saying, "Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?" And the thing is, 10 minutes on every call adds up to a whole week a year. That's a massive loss of productivity. So it could be time for you to take a look again at your video call setup, your microphones and cameras, even which applications you use. If you want our advice on the perfect setup, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.
Thank you for reaching the end of this video. If you'd like this video and you want to see more content from us, please hit the like and subscribe, and also the bell notification, which lets YouTube keep you up to date. And if you want to hire us for a project, please head over to hamiltonsystems.co.uk, and in the top right hand corner you'll find a hire us button. We'd love to hear from you soon. Thank you.